Is it the right time to buy or sell CrowdStrike stock? Welcome back to our in-depth analysis of CrowdStrike. We previously shared a report on our website on Thursday, February 15, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed is crucial as it can greatly impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of October 30, 2023, our system has identified CrowdStrike as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 4.49. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 89.78% since we first listed CrowdStrike as a buy candidate 75 days ago. This means an average return of 1.2% per day since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in the upper part of a strong rising trend. This presents a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks above the top trend line at $336.45, it would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 52.4% change expected in the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between 38.23% and 54.73%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, there is a projected 107.29% change over the next 12 months. This translates to a potential return between 40.37% and 109.71%. In terms of price, it could reach a range of $465.14 to $694.94 after a year. Our latest update on CrowdStrike brings an important headline: CrowdStrike stock downgraded from strong buy candidate to buy candidate after Thursday's trading session. On the last day, which was Thursday, February 15, 2024, the CrowdStrike stock price experienced a decrease of 0.95%, going from $334.55 to $331.38. Throughout the trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.47%, starting from a low of $327.11 and reaching a high of $338.45. It's worth noting that the stock has shown an upward trend in 6 out of the last 10 days, with a cumulative increase of 10.69% over the past 2 weeks. Although the volume of shares traded increased by 534,000 on the last day, this occurred alongside falling prices. This situation might be an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. Overall, approximately 3 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a total value of $959.19 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded stock price was $338.45, while the lowest was $110.46. At present, the stock price is 2.09% or $7.07 below the 52-week high, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Analyst ratings. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Wedbush gave CRWD a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, January 29, 2024, Truist Financial gave CRWD a underperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 9, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave CRWD a overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Rosenblatt Securities gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, December 21, 2023, Needham gave CRWD a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have unanimously recommended buying CrowdStrike stock. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as strong buying opportunities. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have a neutral stance. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for CrowdStrike, a popular stock. The stock is showing mixed signals at the moment. On Wednesday, February 14, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point. Since then, it has fallen by -0.95%. It's likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Another sell signal is coming from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, the volume rose while the prices fell. This could be an early warning sign that the stock should be closely monitored. However, the CrowdStrike stock does have some positive indicators. It's holding by signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive forecast. Additionally, there's a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average being above the long-term average. In case of corrections downwards, there will be some support from the lines at $325.69 and $289.60. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. The pivots showed a sell signal 2 days ago. The Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The short-term moving average gave a sell signal 13 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average gave a buy signal 29 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a sell signal 201 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages showed a buy signal 234 days ago. Remember to visit our website at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for CrowdStrike. When it comes to the downside, CrowdStrike has some key support levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, we have accumulated volume support at $273.77 and $260.08. It's important to note that when a stock tests a support level, there's a natural risk involved. If the support is broken, the stock may fall to the next level. For CrowdStrike, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $273.77, followed by $260.08 and $257.32. In terms of volatility, this stock tends to have average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the overall risk is considered to be medium. Looking at the last day, the stock had a price range of $11.34 between its high and low, which translates to a 3.47% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 4.08%. Before we explore potential trading levels for CrowdStrike, let's first understand some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is either generating losses or experiencing a period of decline. Established companies may face temporary setbacks, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it could indicate insufficient profitability and potential risks of bankruptcy. Moving on, the next earnings report for Q1 2024 is scheduled for March 5, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at 82 cents. These figures can significantly influence stock prices, so it's worth keeping an eye on them. Today, we'll be looking at some potential day trading levels for CrowdStrike. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for CrowdStrike is at $334.55. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for the price to exceed this level before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the other hand, if CrowdStrike experiences a decline, it will encounter its first support level at $273.77. If this support level holds, it could present a good opportunity to enter the market, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for CrowdStrike from multiple analyst sources is a buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 16, 2024, Centona's Michael sold 22,123 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 2,408 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 8,195 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 8,528 shares of Class A common stock. On January 11, 2024, Kurtz George sold 6,902 shares of Class A common stock. By analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative with a ratio of -44.951. Overall, insiders have purchased 346,189 shares and sold 936,606 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $321.84, representing a decrease of 2.88%. This stock exhibits moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified just 1 day ago. Is CrowdStrike stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, CrowdStrike stock shows several positive short-term signals and a generally upward trend. This indicates a potential buying opportunity. However, we have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate, due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture since our last evaluation. Furthermore, our systems have determined that the current price of CrowdStrike stock is undervalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, February 16th, we expect CrowdStrike to open up 94 cents and start trading at $332.32. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. That's why it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Remember, StockInvest.us is not the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and take responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the current state of the stock. We value your opinion, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. What is your target for this stock? We're here to provide you with valuable insights and analysis, so remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. Best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.